Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. We're going to continue our rebuild of the 16 valve today. We're going to be attaching the flywheel, the clutch, and then we'll hopefully get the gearbox on the car. Maybe go even further. Let's see how far we get, eh? Let's go. Since our last episode, we've replaced these, because remember, these are all stripped and spinning round. We've also got some new ones, so these aren't spinning around anymore. They're tightening nicely. We don't have to worry about them pinging off behind the flywheel when we put it on. So my dad's also put on the warm-up regulator, the front engine mount on. He's put on a couple of these sensors. We have got another one to put on here, which is a 2-pin sensor. Okay, let's get our pressure plate on. It goes on there. We've got this little gaskety thing, which I guess there's a little nib on it. Can't see if that's going here or anything, so I'm guessing that faces outwards. Doesn't really say in the books. Get one of these in finger tight just to hold it in place. Okay. So this pressure plate and clutch kit from Heritage Parts came with these nuts, which have all got Loctite on them. Just get these done a bit more and then we'll get the whizzer on it and whenever we're in straight. Right, so now we need to torque these all up to 30 Newton meters, and to do that we're going to have to use the little special tool which my dad made before. Okay, so put it on there.
Are you going to that one?
Yeah. I'll do it. Right, okay, let's get the torque wrench. 30 Newton meters plus a quarter turn. Give them another check, a final check. Plus a 1/4 turn. So they're all up to 30, you're going to give them a quarter turn each. Which will be down to here. You need to come and hold this for me, Dad. Hold the engine still. I'll give him a quarter turn now. Oh, bloody hell. Seems very tight. That's less than a quarter.
That's about a quarter.
It's not a quarter. What quarter is that?
Oh, yeah.
It's about 1/8. What's up here? What do you want?
Right.
if I can get them any tighter.
They're snapping. They're big ones, aren't they?
I'm not going any tighter then.
Is it all 4?
6 of them, yeah. Do you think that's tight? I couldn't move them anymore.
Alright.
Do you think that'd be okay?
I'm strong in it though. I'll probably move it.
Let's try it then.
No, it's open.
You are stronger than most men. I think that'll be tight enough. Yeah, that looks better, doesn't it? There's more room that way than there is the other way. Got another screwdriver to get it over there.
Yeah. I can pop out again in a minute. Thought it would. It won't bend it. Push it. Push.
There you go. There you go.
Well, that's not central.
Let's do the centre bit here. So using a bit of lithium grease, it's going to put some in the centre where the push rod goes.
Oh. Right.
So just need to put a bit of lubricating grease on the spline. Good stuff. Okay, so we don't seem to have it. We haven't got a centralising tool, so we're just going to.
Got one here, but it's shit.
Yeah, you might as well just use your hand. So we're going to try and just gauge it by eye. Okay, 10 there. 10.3. 10.3.
There's a lock on it somewhere.
10.4. I mean, it's pretty much all right, that was that. They're all within a millimetre. There we go. I think that's centre. What do you guys think? Okay, next job is to torque up all these, and there's an order to torque these up in. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. 20, so we'll start with this one.
What's alignment to it? Book before this for the car.
Nice. Where do you read it was for this car?
Well, we got it otherwise, isn't it?
I don't know.
You have to list of what cars it's for.
Say do a quarter turn or anything after doing all that?
No.
Just want to quickly take a minute to thank eManuals Online for sponsoring this episode. Their manuals have been very helpful putting this engine back together, and you can get a 20% discount from all their manuals site-wide using the code MK2 GS22. Back to putting this together. What's stopping it getting us in the way here? Well, can you pull that out? Right up here. Get them in. Something's stopping it in the way.
Nothing there. Nothing there. more higher. Right. Two more. Higher. One higher.
Well, I'm going to push rod might come out. Can you check it? Be careful not to lift that up. Higher.
Yeah. Right. See that end line now, isn't it?
That's got it. Nice. Right. Is that the shorter one?
Yeah. Push it in with your tummy. Not very far in that.
That one's not either. Can we get this one round here? Yeah, there we go. That's pulling it in nice. Do this side a bit now.
Yeah.
Watch yourself. Okay,
Bottom one now.
these ones through here. Big long ones.
No, hang on a minute. Go with me.
You've only got one but
Where do these go? All right. Yeah, I've got to put the thingy on. Starter on.
oh yeah. Where is it?
Down underneath.
I'll get it. Somewhere it is.
I'm not sure. Is it underneath that, in that box there? One piece on that. Right.
Oh, it's come out.
One on there. Have to move things in. That's probably right. What's it going into?
Move it down. Put it out a bit. Push that one through. There you go.
Oh, it's not. I'll get it.
It is. There you go. That's in now. Yeah, it's going in.
You sure?
Yeah, tighten up.
Oh, I suppose shook the thread. You sure?
Yes, it went in. It pulled it in. Yep, yep. Next one.
There's this other one there. Look in here. Got it, yeah.
That's too small, that. That's too... What size would that be? 15?
I think. That'll do.
Feels a bit... Is that a little bit big?
I think it's a bit small, that screw. Oh, the bigger one.
Okay. Another bolt round here. Okay. Looks good. Right, there we go. It's good. Okay, that's everything back together. Gearbox is on. It's all together, getting there slowly. I need to torque up these. I can't find the torque settings, so I'll let you know what those are in the next video when we go to put it in the car. Once it's in the car, obviously we've got to finish up doing a quarter turn on these. But yeah, there we go. That's the end of this video. If you find it useful or interesting, please consider dropping a like, click on subscribe. You can buy us a coffee, and you can become a Patreon if you want to. Many ways to say thank you. Just give the video a share, give it a like, that'd be great. Thanks again to my dad for all his hard work, and we'll see you in the next video in a couple of weeks, I think. Cheers, bye bye.